a smart evolution to our ShelfTrack system. ShelfTrack EVO by ClosetMaid. This redesigned adjustable system is affordable and looks great, mixing the richness of wood with a more efficient mounting system. And, as you will see in this installation overview, the all-new system hardware components allow for fast and easy installation. To begin your installation of ShelfTrack, measure your closet and locate the wall studs. This is required for the strongest installation. Determine the height you would like to place the hang track, while keeping in mind the closet configuration and baseboard height. Level the track at the desired height and draw a level line. Now, mark all the stud locations along the line. Remember to include both holes on the left and right sides of the track. If cutting the track is necessary, install the tracks with the required hardware no further than 1 inch from each edge of the track. Secure the hang track into the studs using a number 12 by 2 inch screw directly into the studs. Use a 3/16 inch toggle bolt into drywall every 8 inches where stud mount is not possible. Once the hang tracks are secure, it's time to add the standards. Determine the layout that best fits your needs. Then hang the standards into position on the hang tracks, making sure the first and last standard are at least 2 inches from the end of the hang track. Add ShelfTrack brackets, spacing them no more than 36 inches apart, depending on design configuration. See the manual for details. When installing drawer kits, space the corresponding standards 23 inches apart on center. Lift the drawer box into position. Align the brackets into the inside slots. Lower the drawer box into place. Rest the shelving on top of the shelf brackets. Unsupported overhang should not exceed 6 inches. Drill the pre-inserted screws into the bottom of the shelf at all locations. For any bracket at the end of a shelf, insert a screw sleeve into the bracket and attach to the shelf using a number 10 by 3 inch screw. If shelf cutting is required, cover exposed edge with either an edge band strip or a shelf cap. Slide the front attachment of the hang rod bracket into the front 2 slots of the shelf bracket. Lift the back attachment of the bracket into the back 2 slots. Pull the hang rod bracket directly back to lock into place. Push end caps into the open sides of the hang rods. Then, snap the hang rod into the pull cups. Ensure the standards are level, and attach standards directly to the drywall by drilling a 1/2 inch hole and placing a 3/16 inch toggle through the drywall. The toggle head should be flush with the drywall. Then place the bolt through the standard and tighten to secure. Any standard supporting a drawer kit needs to be attached to the wall at the nearest point, both above and below the drawer kit. Place the shoe shelf brackets into the desired position on the standards. Expose the adhesive strip on the shoe shelf bracket and secure the shoe shelf into the desired position. Lift the hang track cover into place above the hang track. Slide the cover over the track and installation hardware to complete the look. And that's it. Your new ShelfTrack EVO is ready for use. For more information or alternative installations, consult the installation guide or visit ClosetMaidPro.com.